What's up, family? It's your girl Ty the Natural, and I'm back with another video. On today, I'm bringing you these bouncy, beautiful curls. And I found these curl makers off Instagram. Crazy, right? So if you want to get this trip, then tap in with your girl, because we getting into it right now. Blessings to everyone. We're starting off on freshly washed hair, and we are misting that one section. You always want to start off on sectioned hair. Now I'm taking my growth cocktail oil, and I am going to rub that in really good on my section. Next, I'm taking my pomegranate and honey curl defining mousse, and I'm just going to apply it to that section next. Now I'm taking my brush just so I can make sure that I got all the mousse thoroughly saturated through that section. And we just want to make sure that there isn't any tangles as well. So we're killing two birds with one stone, but you want to make sure you are brushing gently because you do not want to break off any hair. And these are the Instagram curl makers that I was talking about. I've never seen these in my life. I seen a guy with our kind of texture, I seen a melanin guy. We'll just say that. I seen a melanin guy on there, and he used these curl makers. When he took them down, his hair was beautiful. So curly. I was like, I might need to try these. And lo and behold, I did. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your section is nicely detangled, because if your hair is tangled, your curl is not going to come out good. It's going to come out messed up. Just being honest. So it's very important that you do that. Next, after you add your oil, you want to take your curl defining mousse and make sure that that is nice and lathered onto the section. And then you want to brush that out gently. And now I am going to twist my hair at the roots, because the first one I didn't do that and I felt like it was more difficult to close the curl maker. Then you want to just wrap your hair around the cylinder, and then you're just going to push the curl maker in, and then you're done. And that's all you have to do. These are so simple, so easy to use, but I highly recommend that you do twist your hair at the roots so that your hair is not poofy and you don't have a problem closing the curl makers once you get to the roots. All right, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this clip of the video, and once it's time for the next step, I will slide back in. All right, people, so I have finished applying all the curl makers, so I'm going to let this dry for a day, and then we're going to take these boys down. So I'm starting off with my growth oil, and I ran out of my Karma Babe, so that's why I'm not using that growth cocktail, but I'm just going to start unraveling these curl makers. And for the most part, my hair dried, but I did have a couple areas that didn't dry. One of them being in front of my head, like one of them being the front of my head. It's like, out of all places, really, the front got to be messed up. So y'all see that in a moment. Bam, there it is. This one didn't want me to be great today, y'all. So it did not dry, as you can see. I had another one over there too. I don't know what it was about that side, but that side did not want to dry properly. I did get under the hooded dryer for indirect heat because you need some heat to curl these. Otherwise, your hair is going to be poofy looking. So yeah, this is what I'm working with. So now I am trying to figure out what to do with this top part so I can hide the poofiness. So I was twirling it, moving it around, see how I can hide it, see how I can manipulate my hair to make it look good. Because we was not letting this stop the show. So I end up like pinning it up, hiding it pretty much. So you couldn't see the poofiness. So that's what happened. But other than that, I really love the bouncy curls on this, and I'm just fluffing the hair out. All right, family. So that is the end of the tutorial. Please let me know down below what you guys think about these curls and what you think about these little curl makers. Are you going to give them a try? Would you give them a try? I did have a little poofiness because it didn't dry all the way, but besides that, the curls are pretty. I like the curls. They're nice and bouncy. They're not heavy. So I think they're really good as long as your hair dries. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any more of my videos. Make sure you get over to IG and let's connect so you can see what I'm up to outside of YouTube. So that is all I have today. Thank you guys for watching. You guys be safe. Watch your surroundings, as I always say. And I will see you on the next video. All right?